Teeth cleaning or scaling, also called as oral prophylaxis, is a pain-free procedure involving removal of stains, bacterial deposits like plaque and hardened plaque, also called tartar, from teeth above and below the gum line using specially designed dental instruments or ultrasonic scalers. Dental cleaning procedures are designed for more than just giving you shiny teeth. Professional teeth cleaning treatments are the primary means of preventing and treating gum diseases and maintaining tooth health. We recommend having your teeth professionally cleaned every 6 to 12 months to reduce the likelihood of gum disease and its progression. We at Complete Dental Solutions also do air polishing or contactless cleaning. If you are someone who has a lot of sensitivity and has a tough time getting oral prophylaxis or scaling, then air polishing is for you. This procedure removes tough stains caused by tobacco or tire and plaque from the teeth without any teeth sensitivity.